What if I told you that it's possible to earn money even while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Passive income streams are the perfect way to make money while not actively working every hour of the day. Whether you're aiming for a side hustle or looking for a long-term wealth-building strategy, passive income offers flexibility, freedom, and financial stability. In this video, we'll explore 8 passive income ideas that can help you start earning money with little to no ongoing effort. Let's dive into how you can make your money work for you, even when you're not awake. 1. Create an online course. Creating an online course is one of the most effective ways to generate passive income. If you have expertise or knowledge in a particular subject, why not share it with others and get paid for it? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses with minimal ongoing work. Once your course is created and uploaded, all you have to do is market it and let the sales come in. The beauty of online courses is that they allow you to package your knowledge and experiences into something that's available 24/7, meaning people can enroll and learn at their own pace. You might think creating a course requires a lot of time, but once it's set up, it becomes a money-making machine that runs in the background. As more students sign up, your income grows, all while you're sleeping or spending time doing other things. It's a great example of upfront work leading to long-term gains. To really boost your earnings, consider making a series of related courses or offering premium content for a higher price. By focusing on high-demand subjects and effective marketing, you could build a steady passive income stream that supports your financial goals. 2. Start a print-on-demand shop. If you're into design, a print-on-demand shop could be a great fit. You design products such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and when a customer makes a purchase, a third-party company handles the printing and shipping. You don't need to worry about holding any inventory. And the best part is, you only get paid when someone buys your design. With platforms like Printful or Redbubble, it's super easy to get started. You upload your designs, set up an online store, and start marketing. After that, it's all hands-off. While it does take time to establish a following and drive sales, once your designs are up, they can sell continuously, generating passive income. The key is to create designs that resonate with a broad audience and market your store strategically on social media or through ads. Over time, the income starts rolling in with minimal involvement. It may take some time to make a significant income, but with consistent effort and creativity, print-on-demand can become a great passive income stream. 3. Dividend stocks. One of the most straightforward ways to earn passive income is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in dividend stocks, companies pay you a portion of their profits, usually on a quarterly basis. This income comes in the form of dividends, which you can either cash out or reinvest to buy more shares. Dividend stocks are a long-term game, and the key is to choose well-established companies with a consistent history of paying dividends. This passive income stream works because you're getting paid for simply holding onto your shares. The longer you hold your investments, the more dividends you'll collect. For those starting with little money, there are many platforms that allow you to invest in fractional shares, meaning you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. With even a small investment, you can begin to earn money from dividends. Over time, as you reinvest these dividends, the income potential grows, creating a steady source of passive income. 4. Write and sell ebooks. If you enjoy writing, why not turn your passion into a passive income stream by writing and selling ebooks? Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or self-help, there's a market for almost every type of book. Once published, your ebook can be sold repeatedly with no additional effort from your side. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to publish your ebook for free and start earning royalties from each sale. The beauty of selling ebooks is that once your book is on the platform, it can continue to sell day and night without your involvement. Whether you're sleeping, at work, or on vacation, your ebook is still generating income. It's also possible to create a series of books or audiobooks, which will increase your earnings as people discover more of your work. The best part? You can start with little to no investment. All you need is your time and creativity to write something people want to read. 5. Rent out property. Owning rental property has long been a popular way to earn passive income, and it's still one of the best investments you can make. While it does require upfront capital to purchase the property, the returns can be substantial. With platforms like Airbnb, it's easier than ever to rent out a room, apartment, or even your entire home to generate rental income. Once you've bought the property, it's relatively hands-off. You'll collect rent every month. And if you use services like Airbnb, you can even rent out the property for short-term stays, which often results in higher income. Depending on your property's location, renting it out could create a significant source of passive income that grows over time. To minimize management effort, consider hiring a property manager or using short-term rental services that handle the maintenance and guest communication for you. This way, you can enjoy the income while focusing on other aspects of your life or business. 6. Create a YouTube channel. If you enjoy making videos, creating a YouTube channel can be an excellent passive income idea. You can create content about anything you're passionate about: travel, cooking, tech, or even educational content, and monetize your videos through YouTube's partner program. The key to success on YouTube is building a loyal audience. Once you achieve the required subscriber count and watch hours, you can start earning passive income through ad revenue. You can also supplement your earnings with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or merchandise sales. The great part about YouTube is that once your videos are published, they continue to generate views and add revenue even when you're not actively working on them. The more content you upload, the more opportunities you have to earn passive income, especially if your content gains viral traction. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to make money passively. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services through a unique link, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create a product or service yourself, making it an easy way to earn passive income. The best part? You can use blogs, YouTube, or social media to share affiliate links. Once your content is created, you can continuously earn from the links as long as they remain active and people continue clicking on them. Affiliate marketing is highly scalable. The more traffic you get to your content, the more opportunities you have to make money. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareSale are perfect for beginners and allow you to promote a wide variety of products to different audiences. 8. Sell stock photos. If you're into photography, selling stock photos is a great way to earn passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock allow you to upload your photos and sell them to individuals, businesses, or organizations who need high-quality images. You don't need to be a professional photographer to get started. You just need to take high-quality, in-demand photos. Once uploaded, your photos can be sold repeatedly, with each sale generating passive income. The more diverse and unique your collection, the more likely it is that businesses will want to use your images. By focusing on niches such as business, technology, travel, or lifestyle, you can create a portfolio of images that attracts customers and generates income even while you sleep. Building passive income may take time and effort initially, but once your income streams are set up, you can earn money while focusing on other priorities. The best part about passive income is that it doesn't require constant effort once the foundation is laid. From creating online courses to affiliate marketing, the options are endless, and all of them offer the potential for financial freedom. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. Start small, choose what suits you best, and let your passive income grow. So, which passive income idea will you start with today? Drop a comment below to share your thoughts, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your wealth with passive income. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.